Hello guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the model name of the iPhone 14 series. So if you are buying an iPhone, you're probably wanting to know if you are actually getting the iPhone 14, the 14 Pro, the Plus or the Pro Max. So in here is where you can find out. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General. Next, tap on About. Then in here, you'll be able to find the model name of the iPhone 14 series. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.